establishing the standards and expectations of abundance of women, sex, love, and feminine energy in its proximity and life experience, having reached capacity and still because of the pipeline, the system put in place, like I've got a dialed in formula to generate abundance through something I consider to be, minuscule, like online dating. Don't take it seriously. And now there's 20 connections. Now there's 3 or 4 numbers coming in every week. There's women I'm meeting up with, women I'm texting, women I haven't called yet, women I'm just messaging online, like categories of, and even balancing for myself, when do they fit in? And what I'm learning about myself is even my conversations for doing the right thing, not losing interest, validation of, I don't want to leave them hanging. I want to let them know. I want them to keep interest in me. I want them to know that I'm thinking about them. All these things running that I'm getting to take on the conversations of being a good Dwayne, good guy, all this stuff. I'm learning on my end actually to take reflection of, that's actually just part of the process. I'm getting contrast. From 20 women to the one raving fan, feminine is showing up. 1 or 2 out of the 20 plus growing, I'm distinguishing like soft feminine. How are you today? Like, oh, it didn't work out when you called, so sorry, I missed you, blah, 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 blah. But how are you today though? Like a difference in the energy. Whereas the contrast, I'm experiencing the alpha, confident, masked feminine out there that is all about themselves, or conquering or taking on their world, or traveling and jet setting, doing their business and stuff. And it's a different energy. I can see where my attraction, how I feel about them versus how they make me feel.